Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will unbox a bag that I picked up at the private event by Chanel. I uploaded 2 videos about this event, and in case you guys haven't watched them, I will link them down in the description box below so you guys can check them out. I saw so many beautiful eye candies and I'm really obsessed with this collection. By the way guys, if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. First, I'm going to unbox the bag and then I'm going to talk about capacity. I will compare rectangular mini versus small. And after that, I will show you how to shorten the straps of the bag. And in the end, I will show to you modeling shots for both rectangular mini and small. I'm actually quite surprised that I ended up purchasing this bag because I had an agreement with myself that I will not be adding another lambskin bag because they are so delicate. And my previous square mini in blue color got destroyed. But I noticed that the quality of the lambskin this season seems to be a bit thicker. When I saw this bag last year, I noticed that the quality of the leather was so different. It was a lot more thin. So I'm actually quite happy they improved it and hopefully it will last me longer. By the way, I was even looking into purchasing this bag pre-loved with caviar leather, but I noticed that the price for those was $1,000 more expensive than I paid in a store, sometimes even more than $1,000, which is quite outrageous for a used bag. I kind of got fed up with this and I just decided to get the new one from the store. I'm so excited to unbox it. It was literally standing in the corner for a few days because I was so busy at work, and I can finally unbox it and show it to you guys. Such a beautiful bag. And this bag was on my wish list for a few years and I didn't expect to see it at all. I just randomly asked my SA if she has it in a store and she said yes, she only had one item. I didn't think twice about it, I just decided to get it even though it was painful to pay the new price. But I guess these bags will only get more and more expensive, so there is no choice. But I'm glad I have it now in my collection. I don't know if it's gonna be my absolutely last bag from Chanel, but I'm hoping it will be. Because I'm quite happy with my collection right now. By the way guys, I have previously posted 2 videos about my full Chanel handbag collection. I will link those videos in the description box below. By the way, every single bag comes with authenticity card. I haven't showed it to you, but it's here. I will not unpack it. I still want to keep it in a paper just in case it will get scratched. I'm gonna try to fit in all of these items and later I will compare it with the classic flap bag in a small size. The phone fits in nicely, and then I'm gonna put in the card holder, and then I'm gonna put the makeup. Here's the eyeshadow, and the next one I'm gonna try to put in the AirPods. I think more space for that. And then followed by the blusher. Just gonna put it here. It's getting tight now. And then hand sanitizer. The bigger bottle wouldn't fit, and then I'm gonna put the lipsticks on top. Getting very tight. I wonder if I can even close this bag. It's getting super tight, even though it's a single flap. I've seen so many videos on YouTube and girls could fit in so much, but I just can't. Okay, no hand sanitizer, still quite full. No blusher. It should be better now. It's very tight. So you can see the capacity of this one. And now I'm gonna compare it with my classic flap bag in a small size. By the way, I really like this yellow hardware. So pretty. And I like the caviar. Anyway, let me try to put in more items here. I'm gonna put in the card holder first, followed by the phone, and then I'm gonna put the blusher in, and then another one, and then I can also put in the AirPods, lipsticks, and then I'm gonna put in the hand sanitizer and one more bottle. It's pretty tight now, but actually I was able to fit in all the items that I wanted. But I think I can close the bag. You see? I can close it. I think the small can fit in so much more. I can definitely say that the rectangular mini fits a lot less items. I don't know how other people were able to fit in a lot more. Let me show to you guys how I shorten the strap of rectangular mini, because it's actually very long and you can see it further in the modeling shots. So basically I just take this strap that comes with Chanel bag packaging. You can cut it off, make it shorter. I would just tie it together, just make a bow and it will not be moving that much and it wouldn't damage the strap either. And then I would just put it inside and this is it. And if I want the strap shorter, I will just make it higher and this is it. It's good to go. So let me show you the modeling shots. I will compare both sizes together, the rectangular mini and the small size, and you can see the length of both of them side by side without the bow. You can see how much longer the rectangular mini is. I actually prefer the length of the small classic flap bag. I really like that length, and my height is 5.7. And this is how both of them look crossbody. I like the way the small looks. It's just so much better. It's more modern in my opinion, and the rectangular mini is too low. Another advantage that this bag has is that you can adjust the straps and wear double straps on your shoulder, and I really like this look. It's a very convenient way for me to wear it. And I can also shorten the straps and wear it on my hand by pulling them inside, and I don't even have to tie it in with the ribbon. The strap will not be moving. I can just carry it either like a clutch like that, or I could adjust the strap a bit longer and just carry it on my hand. I really like how versatile small bag is. You can achieve the same with the rectangular mini, but you have to have a ribbon to tie it in, and sometimes you have to adjust it. I can make the length shorter like here, or I can just adjust it, make it a bit longer, just the way you prefer it. Or I could actually wear it as a clutch too. So just remember, as long as you tie in the strap, you can use it pretty much the same way as you would use the small, which is great. I do like this bag a lot. I just really wish that Chanel would make this bag in caviar leather, because it would be a lot more durable and I wouldn't be worried to travel with it whenever we'll be allowed to travel. I am so happy that I was able to add this bag to my collection. It's so timeless. It's a perfect evening or a weekend bag, and I know that I'll be using it a lot. By the way guys, I have been receiving quite a few requests to film a video and compare my square mini that I featured previously in some of my videos with my rectangular mini. I wasn't able to record this video before because I didn't have a classic mini rectangular bag, but now when I have both of this, I will definitely do a comparison, so please stay tuned. This is it guys. By the way, if you like my content, please consider checking out my playlist. I uploaded quite a few videos about luxury goods shopping, Chanel bags, style and fashion, jewelry, beauty products, weekly vlogs, travel vlogs, and I have quite a few Dior videos. And please consider checking out my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!